Welcome back everybody to another Scotsland adventure. Today I am a bit puffed out. It's been a long time since I've done a wee bit of hill walking, so I thought I'd try and get myself back in a bit of shape, and best place just outside of Glasgow is the Campsie Hills. And if you've caught the previous video I did, it was more kind of flat walking, that kind of thing, but this is certainly a bit tougher. It's not a Monroe or nowhere near it, but it's getting the heart rate going and the legs are getting tender. But once we get to the top, it's quite flat from there. There's a car park on the Crow Road, so you come through a place called Lennoxtown, you follow a road up called the Crow Road, you get to a place called the car park in the sky. I am really puffed out, but it's about 25 degrees just now, and the heat is definitely getting to me. I'm a wee bit out of shape, but we're trying to rectify that. I've got a day off, so I thought, can't waste it. Can't waste it. Have to go up a wee hill and just enjoy it. I've got some lunch with me, I've got plenty of water, and we're just going to see how the day pans out. Maybe a few hours out, just taking some scenery, sit and chill for a bit, see how we get on. But stick around and we'll see sort of views and what else we can find. Speak soon guys, cheerio. You might actually have seen as well that I've got this with me. What, I hear you cry, who's that? Is it some cyborg bit of equipment? Is it, what is it? Well, it's actually a clip for holding the DJI pocket that I've got in my hand just now. It was actually gifted to me by my good friend Terry, Terry's Travels. So it's getting its first outing, so it means I can have my hands free, still record, and just get a kind of more virtual walk experience. The clip's really good, and it kind of really build all clips onto kind of any sized backpack strap or anything like that. But if you've got walking poles or other cameras or phones or whatever, it still allows you to record and pick up bits, which is cool. So yeah, it's a DJI pocket backpack strap holder. So just a disclaimer. So enjoy the rest of the video guys. Speak soon. Good old pat cam. Get to see what sort of double view of me slogging my guts out and get to see what this thing sees. It's a bit of fun at the end of the day. It's good fun. Ooh. I'm got every angle. Every angle, so you don't miss a second of it. That's the plan. Now, I will say I've done a video up here before, and it was the very early days in the beginning of my channel, and just showing and working out if I could do some videos and editing and this kind of idea. But you don't really get tired of things like this, to be honest with you. As I say again, there's guys that follow me and I follow them back that do this on a regular basis, and make it look easy, make it look as if they're hop, skipping and jumping. Yeah, I just need to get back out a little bit, and I suppose this is a time to be again a bit kind of open and honest. Over winter time, as I said in my last Campsie vlog, spoke a bit about mental health, and my mental health suffered a little bit. I just don't like the winter. And it got to me. A lot of random stuff happened. I wasn't posting. I wasn't really socialising. And the brain went a wee bit grey, shall we say. And it wasn't pleasant at times, and it's so important to look after your mental health, your health, physical health, and your own well-being. There's so many places now and phone numbers that you can phone and speak to somebody. I know men's mental health, there was a thing, used to be shh, keep it quiet, don't say anything. Nowadays, just talk to each other. Like, it's okay, somebody will listen. There is a number of charities, Mind, Samaritans, all sorts of other, and I'll put some websites in the description below. There's guys like Safe in Our World, all this kind of stuff. So no matter how you're feeling, please just talk. Get out the house. It doesn't have to be stuff like I'm doing just now, far from it, but make sure that you're looking after yourselves. Check in on people, make sure that your friends and family are okay. I'm not qualified in the slightest. I just know that there's a time where recently it got me a bit heavy, and getting through it. So you have to just look out and look after each other. So that's the heavy chat done for a moment. and let's get some walking done. Let's get some views in. Let's go and get a bite to eat, folks, shall we? You are my guest. Once we get set up, you are welcome to join me on a wee picnic at the top of the world. Let's go. Let's go. Well, I think this is a good enough place as any to have a bite to eat. It's actually a trig point up there. That hill there, I think that's the highest point of this area. But time's marched on a wee bit, and as I say, I haven't had nothing to eat yet, so I think we're going to have some breakfast here. Definitely have something to eat here. Look at this. Look at how glorious this is. Just listen to the bird song, the nature. Incredible. I don't know if you can see down there, but down about there, that's where Celtic Football Club train. So that's their training ground down there. Not bad. Not bad for a view. That just down there, you can see the road. That's the car park in the sky. You can sort of see why. So you can get the car, it's the Crow Road, or Crow Road I think it's called. And you can take the car and pitch the car there. Beautiful surroundings. That's just us coming back to the end of the walk. Oh, okay. Got to navigate this, not with a camera, so I will speak to you all soon. Right, very quick rant here. These disposable barbecues has got to stop. Have to stop being sold, because look at that, not being taken home. They could cause fires, they can cause destruction to habitations, they could get out of control. We do not need stuff like this. Now that's the car park there. How easy is it for somebody to pour some water on that and take it in their car? That's shocking, absolutely shocking. So, anybody watching this that's involved with the producing or selling these in shops, supermarkets, you've got to rethink your policies, because that's where they're ending up. These disposable barbecues there's got to be a ban on them. They're awful things, and your food tastes like crap on them as well. So yeah, rant over. But yeah, we're going to go back to the car and maybe put a video together, and that's the plan. So yes, that's just about done. Rant over, but honestly that boils my head, boils my expletive. It doesn't take a lot. Enjoy yourself, enjoy the outdoors, fine. But these barbecues they've got to stop buying them. Stop buying them. They're a waste of money. You don't need to be cooking barbecue food outdoors in a place like this. It's dangerous. You don't take the rubbish home. So enough. Enough. Thank you. That was a public broadcast by the Scotland Party. Well folks, I think I'm going to just end it here for the day, for a bite to eat, a bit of chill out time, just taking in some of the views which are phenomenal, which is so nice, a day like this. Plenty of factor 500 on just now, so yeah, we're good from that side. But thanks for keeping me company on the walk, sitting, having a bite to eat with me, chilling out. Yeah, much appreciated. I hope you like what you saw. There'll be more of this sort of stuff coming up soon, so sort of watch this space. But yeah, massive thank you to all my subscribers, current, old, new. You guys are all fantastic. And yeah, remember to the usual, like, share and subscribe. Gotta get that plug in so you don't forget. But listen, if you do share it with somebody who enjoys walking or Scotland or whatever, that'd be much appreciated. But until the next adventure folks, look after each other, as I say, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Cheerio.